In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a gift card in Shopify. Whether you're setting up your online store or looking to offer your customers something extra, adding gift cards can be a fantastic option. Let's walk through this together, step by step, so you get it perfectly right the first time. We'll begin our journey on the Shopify dashboard. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the home page of your store. It's where all the magic begins. From the menu on the left, you'll want to find and click on Products. This will take you to the section where all your store's items are listed, ready for you to manage. Your screen might seem full of options, but don't worry, I'll make sure you know exactly where to click. Next, you'll see another option appear under Products. Now we're looking for gift cards. Once you click on that, you'll find yourself in an area specifically designed to manage and create gift cards. This option might be simple, but it's powerful for boosting your store's appeal. Now, let's move on to creating a new gift card. Click on Create Gift Card. It's a straightforward button that leads you directly to a new screen with plenty of details for customization. As you navigate this, remember, each detail you can fill out here is an opportunity to fine-tune the gift card experience for your customers. The first thing to note is the Gift Card Details section. Click there to begin customizing. You'll find a place to enter important information about the gift card, including its name and any details that make it unique. Think about what makes your store special and how this card can reflect that. Moving right along, you'll need a gift card code. This is a unique identifier for each card you sell. Click on the gift card code area, and Shopify will generate one for you. If you're feeling creative or need specific codes for promotions, you can also enter your own. Next up is the Initial Value field. This is where you determine the starting value of the gift card. Consider your typical sales and what makes sense for your customers. Click on the initial value to enter an amount that you think will be enticing. After setting the value, shift your attention to the Customer field. Here you can link the gift card to a specific customer if it's personalized or pre-purchased. Simply click there and enter the customer's details. Another helpful area is Notes. This is where you can add any extra information that's important for tracking purposes or customer communication. Finally, the end date for your gift card goes in the Expiration Date field. Think about a time frame that balances encouraging quick redemption without pressuring your customers. Once you've clicked there and set the date, you're ready to go. And there you have it, an easy-to-understand guide to creating gift cards on Shopify. With these steps, you're well on your way to offering your customers something valuable and exciting. Happy selling, and see you in the next tutorial.